All right, guys, my friend Ralph is here. He got a 2015 Nissan Altima. He thinks the AC is not cold enough, but I'm gonna tell Ralph, we're gonna check his pressure. Come. All right, Ralph, so once we put this machine on with the AC on, this low gauge, low reading here should be reading between 30 and 40. That will indicate to me your AC is good. If it's below that, it's gonna need a recharge, okay? So, but first, tell us what's going on. Your AC is not cold on a hot day?
Not cold enough. I turn it on and it's cool air, not cold.
What about on a hot day, 90 degrees?
It doesn't help.
Oh, it doesn't help. All right, there you go. I like that. So, if you guys have a car on a hot day, it's not cold enough and you're not feeling it, this is what you're gonna be going through. So this is your low side line and it's hot right now. Did you have the AC on? Okay, he did not have the AC on, so it's hot from just from the engine bay. So go ahead, put your AC on, put it on blast, make sure your music is off.
Okay.
Okay, max AC, some cold.
Nice.
Put it facing up. Ah, this is crappy. Oh no, it's getting cold. Okay, so it's kind of cold in here, but today is not that hot. This is cold. I like it. This is cold. It's cold. But what we're gonna do is cut off the car. So the line is getting cold enough. I like the line. It's pretty cold in here. What we're gonna do here is, that's the low side. This is the high side. And what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take our high and low. Okay, this baby goes right here. We're gonna open up this valve. This is the low side. And we're gonna check the pressure now. Right now, I like that reading, okay? Usually when I recharge a car with the engine off, it's high. So go ahead, start the engine, put the AC. Engine is on. AC clicked on. Pressure is gonna drop. Okay, so it's kind of a little bit high, but I like it. I like it. So there you go. I don't think we need to touch his AC system at all, okay? Because the lines are cold. Look at that. They even got, you can see the moisture. Okay, so we're not touching anything. Cut it off. Shut it off. So the AC is working good. AC is working good. Okay, AC is working good. It's just when it's hot, you gotta give it time, you know. The AC is not gonna get cold like that.
So it can't get colder than what it is.
Yeah, no, it's gonna freeze, right? You see it got moisture here. You see it's picking up on that water shit. Right, it's gone. You see it was on my camera. It gets cold. It picks up the you know, the moisture shit. It gets wet. So, and the pressure it showed better than good, you know. It was above 30. It was even above 40, which is good.
So
okay.
If I add anything's gonna fuck.
Nah, you're gonna mess it up. You're gonna destroy the system. You're gonna blow probably the compressor, and it's gonna get hot probably. You didn't add any, right?
No, nothing.
Okay, because I saw it. It was more than what I usually like to see, but it was good. I think it's good. All right, we're gonna leave this system alone.